Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line. We are working with number pairs with a problem related to TEKS 5.4D, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a table here and we've got a column of X's and a column of Y's. So these are our input values. In sixth grade, we will start calling them independent variables. These are the output values, and we will start calling those dependent variables. Something is happening to our x's. We're doing something to it, and we're getting out a y. So we need to be able to describe that pattern. And so we're going to be asking, is it an additive relationship? Is it a multiplicative relationship? Meaning, do we add or do we multiply to get from our x to our y? And then we need to be able to describe that pattern. We're either increasing by something or multiplying by something. So there's a few different ways we can do this. One method would be to guess and check and just start plugging in some numbers and seeing how we can do that. But I also know that we can use our double number line. So a double number line is two parallel lines that are stacked on top of each other like this. One represents the first column, in this case x, and the top always represents that second column, in this case the y. And what we want to do is we want to just note our pairs. So my x of 8 corresponds with my y of 23. My x of 13 corresponds with my y of 28. My y of 35 corresponds with my x of 20, right? And then I've got my 30 and 45. All right, so now I have recreated the table, but I've put them on a double number line, and that's helpful because we can take a look at what happens when we go from 8 to 13. Well, we are increasing. What are we increasing by? We are increasing by 5, so plus 5. We're increasing again to get from 13 to 20, but not by 5, we're increasing by 7. And then to get from 20 to 30, we're also increasing, but not by 5 or 7, but by 10. So we've got a plus 5, plus 7, and plus 10. Let's see what's happening on the y side. 23 to 28 gets us a plus 5. So take a look at this. When we are increasing 5 on the x, we are also increasing 5 on the y. To get from 28 to 35, it is a plus 7. So when we are increasing 7 on the x, we are increasing 7 on the y. So let's take a look. Our x is going 10 from 20 to 30. And yes, from 35 to 45, we have an increase of 10. Okay, so they match. So they are the same jump. From a 5 on the x is a jump of 5 on the y. A 7 jump on the x is a 7 jump on the y, and a 10 and a 10. So when they are same, that means that they are additive. So that's one thing that we can remember. If you have the same jumps on the x and y, that means it's an additive relationship. We're adding something. We don't know what yet, but it's additive. If it's a multiplicative relationship, they would be different. Like you would jump 2 on the x and then jump 6 on the y, and that would be consistent. So this is an additive relationship. So now we need to look at 8 to 23. If we start at 8 and we move up to 23, how do we get there? Well, we need to add. Let's make that an add. And that's 15. So then we could do the same thing here. It should be the same to get from 13 to 28. Yes, we're going to add 15. To get from 20 to 30, yep, we're going to add 15. And then we're doing the same thing here. So we use the relationship between the x's and the y's to figure out, is this an additive or is this multiplicative? And then once you look at those jumps between x and x or y and y, you look between the x and the y to see what actually is that jump. And that's going to be a 15. So we can say the relationship here is, and we can say it's additive because each x coordinate is, what do? We increase it. How are we increasing it by? We are increasing it by 15. That increase by 15 means literally we're just going to do a plus 15, and then that's going to create the corresponding y coordinate.